Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 1.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.7% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.3% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The post-pandemic rebound in world growth and inflation last year meant the amount of debt sloshing around the global economy saw its first annual fall in dollar terms since 2015, a widely tracked study has shown. FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried faces additional charges, including bank fraud allegations, under a new indictment. Federal officials are now charging the one-time crypto wunderkind with bank fraud and operating an unlicensed money transmitter, in addition to the 8 counts he already faced. Pakistan will this week receive a new $700 million loan from China to help shore up its foreign exchange reserves, the country's finance minister said, in another step to help the South Asian nation recover from an economic crisis.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's gross domestic product will be released at 0700 hours GMT, the US personal income at 1330 GMT, the US personal spending at 1330 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 2030 GMT, the UK's GfK consumer confidence at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.